Hey, it's Brian from Phillips Safety, and today we're going to review the brand new Geardo Shooting Glasses kit by Phillips Safety. So the Geardo comes in a great durable case, and depending on the options you chose, all the accessories will be inside. So the Geardo Shooting Glasses kit is fully customizable. So you're able to choose between different eye shield colors, and you can mix and match. So if you want to do a clear lens with a smoke gray lens, or an orange lens with a yellow lens, you can mix and match, and the RX insert is also available, which turns the Geardo into prescription glasses. The Geardo is an extremely lightweight frame made of a durable TR90 nylon, and they feature silicone adjustable nose pads and rubberized temple bars for a comfortable and secure fit. And of course, the Geardo meet the ANSI Z87 safety standards for optimal protection. And changing the eye shield on the Geardo is simple. Simply grip the side of the eye shield near the temple bars and put pressure downwards until it pops out of place. To attach a new eye shield, simply line up the notches on the eye shield with the notches in the frame and apply pressure until it clicks into place. The Geardo make great shooting glasses or just regular safety glasses. So to shop the Geardo kit, the links will be in the description. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or reach out to us at rxsafety.com.